In this episode, a seasoned guide recalls a winter trek where a sudden blizzard forced rapid shelter construction and calm decision-making. Viewers learn to improvise fires without matches using tinder fungus, metal strips, and careful windbreaks demonstrated through a real rescue. A segment on edible plants covers safer choices from local wetlands, tested under pressure with reminders to confirm identifications. The Keeper of Tools explains a compact kit and multi-purpose gear, then a step-by-step first aid drill. Finally, the episode models an encounter with a wary bear and a bite-sized training challenge to stay safe.